In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a task database to a separate calendar in Notion. This process will enhance your ability to streamline tasks and events, making your productivity system even more effective and visually appealing. To get started, let's head over to the Notion page, where you want this integration to take place. Once you are on the desired page, you will want to create a link to your existing task database. This is really where the magic happens. Begin by opening up a new command in Notion. To do this, type a / followed by the phrase linked view of database. Once you've done that, simply press enter. What this does is it allows you to establish a connection to an existing database, in this case, your task database, but you can also link to other databases if needed for future projects. At this point, a list of existing databases will appear on your screen. This list reflects the databases you currently have set up in your Notion workspace. Take a moment to locate the specific task database that you want to link. Selecting the correct database is crucial as it ensures that the tasks you wish to manage will appear in the new calendar view we're about to set up. Now it's time to transform this linked database view into a calendar. You'll do this by heading over to the New View drop-down menu, which appears once you've successfully linked the database. Click on it to reveal your viewing options. From these options, choose Calendar. This selection changes how the data is presented, turning your list of tasks into a calendar format that allows for a more intuitive overview of upcoming tasks and deadlines. Once you've selected Calendar, go ahead and click Done. This confirms your new calendar view. Now, not only do you have a database of tasks, but you have them neatly organized into a calendar that's easy to interpret and manage. Seeing tasks laid out on a calendar can often help with time management and ensure that nothing is overlooked. To recap, we've opened our desired Notion page, inserted a linked view to our task database by using the linked view of database command, selected our task database from the list, and created a calendar view for a more visual approach. This setup is not only beneficial for personal productivity, but also ideal if you're collaborating with the team, making it easy to see who is working on what and when it's due. I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of Notion's capabilities, effectively linking your task database to a calendar and enhancing your productivity. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and happy organizing!